In this video, I'm going to show you 5 easy ways to make $100 per day promoting Clickfunnels on Facebook without the spray and pray method. Now, the spray and pray method is simply spamming your affiliate links across Facebook and praying that somebody will click and stick. Now, the methods that are discussed in this video will be both free and paid methods, but you can get started with the paid methods for as little as $5 per day and then scale up. For the best tips and tricks to learn affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship, be sure to subscribe to this channel and ring the bell notification so you're notified when I upload new videos. And if you want my #1 recommended way to start a full-time income online, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com/start. Hello, I'm Alston with alstongodbolt.com. I'm an affiliate marketer and internet entrepreneur who has helped thousands of people across multiple platforms make passive income with affiliate marketing, and today I want to help you. As we know, Facebook gets millions of users every single day. In addition, Clickfunnels is designed to help people grow and scale their business. It can be an online business or it can be a brick and mortar business. So it's a perfect opportunity to merge the two and start making passive income. The great thing with Clickfunnels as an affiliate is that you can actually make reoccurring income, so getting paid every single month with just bringing in one customer as long as you help solve their problems. So let's go ahead and take a look at different ways that we can help solve problems and start making passive reoccurring income as an affiliate. The first way that we can start generating reoccurring income is joining relevant Facebook groups. Now, I'm not talking about joining affiliate marketing Facebook groups or internet entrepreneurs because those people usually know and are familiar with Clickfunnels. I'm talking about joining groups that people may not be aware that there's a software out there that can help them build and scale an online business or their brick and mortar business. What I'm talking about is joining professional groups. Now, there's a right way to do it and there's a wrong way. Unfortunately, a lot of people do it the wrong way. I'm going to show you how to do it the right way right now. So what we're going to do, I'm jumping into Facebook right now, and we just want to search different professions. We could look at chiropractors, doctors, lawyers. We could take a look at maybe lawn care businesses. Let's try lawn care. And what we're looking for is we're looking for different groups that of lawn care professionals. So what we're going to do, now that I've searched lawn care, I'm going to go down and see if there are any groups. Once we're in groups, we just want to join any of these groups and we want to see what people are talking about. Oftentimes these people are coming together and they're asking questions and they're providing support. So what we can do is we can click on this first one, Lawn Care Fanatics, and we can just kind of take a look and see what people are talking about. Now, as you can see here, there are some rules that you'd want to abide by. What we're going to do is we're going to find a public group so that we can take a peek inside. Lawn care business professional. So if we click on this, as we scroll down here, you can see people are asking different questions about mowers. What we're looking for is we're looking for people that want more leads. So we're just going to click on the search bar here and we're going to type in lead. So we hit enter, and as you can see, people are asking questions and people want to know how to get more leads. And so here's a good example. Need more leads for your lawn care business? Visit us to learn more. What you want to do is you want to look for people that are maybe asking questions and then help solve problems that way. All right, so here's a pretty good one. This person posted a meme about being frustrated with the lack of leads. And then someone responded, are you using Home Advisor? Home Advisor is a service that can help connect business owners with people that need problem solved. So let's say they want their grass cut. They can actually look for people over on Home Advisor. What you could do instead, this would be a good opportunity, is you could say, hey, one thing that you could try is you could try building a sales funnel and running targeted ads to your local group. You could start doing this for as little as $5 per day and just kind of walk them through how to do it. And then you could give them a sales funnel to show them, hey, it's really as easy as this. Show them how to set it up, show them how to use it. And if you do that and they start getting more leads, they will stick with you and you'll actually have a customer for life. The thing that you can do is you can actually create memes based on their needs. For example, I jumped over to Google and I searched how to get more leads for lawn care customers. And as you can see, the first result are 5 tips. You could take those 5 tips and put them into a meme, and then you could post them in different relevant Facebook groups. And people that are interested and need more leads, they're going to raise their hand and say, hey, so what other tips do you have? And that's when you can refer them to a ClickFunnel where it gets customers to sign up and give them their information. And then again, you just want to show them how to run ads for as little as $5 per day. Tell them that they have a completely 2-week free trial to get started with this lead generation software and show them how to use it, and you can start building an online business which generates reoccurring income relatively fast. The other cool thing with small businesses is oftentimes if something works for them, they're going to share that with their friends and other small business owners. For example, let's say you help Johnny's lawn care business get 30 more leads per week or per month. They're going to tell their friend that maybe a baker, a candlestick maker, and a farmer that they're getting more leads just by this simple website. Then they're going to refer you. They're going to say contact you to get more leads, and you can basically set up these funnels on autopilot and make even more money. The next way that you can promote ClickFunnels on Facebook is simply to go live and build different funnels for people. So what you'd want to do is you'd want to create a Facebook business page or fan account, and then you can go live, and that'll actually reach more people. We realize and expect that people go to YouTube and Google for answers, but people also go to Facebook as well because they're already in the app. So what I recommend that you do is you can go live. As you can see, it says create live event. Once you're done creating a live event, you can actually promote it for as little as $3 or $5 per day. And within Facebook, it has an amazing targeting system where you can target people that are interested in email marketing or ClickFunnels or lead generation. You can get in front of those people and they can learn a little bit more. Eventually, what can happen is they'll either click on the funnel that you've created, or they're going to start following you because you showed up in their Facebook feed. But going live is a very, very good opportunity. One of the things that Russell Brunson talks about is how one of the people that first got started with ClickFunnels, they were going live every day and they weren't getting any traction. Finally, after going live for 2 or 3 days and they put $3 behind it, his business blew up. Going live is actually really easy. All you need is Facebook and OBS, and you can actually create a live broadcast without showing your face. So you can use this step by step to get started and start generating leads and sales and make passive income reoccurring with ClickFunnels. The next way that you can promote ClickFunnels is with simple Facebook ads. Now with these Facebook ads, you can run them for as little as $5 per day, and you can start getting leads and sales relatively fast. Now what you'd want to do is you'd want to target professionals, and I'll show you that in just a moment, and offer them maybe a free website, a free sales funnel, or just a free tutorial on how to get started. So let me jump into my computer real quick and I'll show you how easy it is to target different professionals. So here I am in the Facebook Ads Manager. I'm just going to click on traffic. I'm going to run through this to get to the important stuff, but I've created a traffic campaign. I'm going to go over to ad set. And within the ad set, you can target different businesses and different business professionals. So if I scroll down here and I go to add detailed targeting, I click on this and we could say dentist. And as you can see, it can target the California Dental Association, general dentist. There's 50,000 people there, dentist, 31 million people. So you want to target people, different professionals that work in the industry. So you want to target general dentist as the job title. So if we click on that, we could target general dentist. In addition, Facebook is going to make other suggestions, which is incredibly powerful. As you can see, cosmetic dentist, and it just goes on, orthodontist, and it just goes on and on and on. And you could do this for any industry. If we get out of there, we could do lawn care, and you could run targeted Facebook ads where you're asking them, hey, are you struggling to get leads? Is your lawn care business down? Try this. And then you could give away a free funnel. So I typed in lawn care, and then it says under job titles, we could click on suggestions. And then as you can see, lawn technician, maintenance, groundskeeper, there are a number of opportunities that are out there in just about any industry. So what you'd want to do if you're not familiar with an industry title, just go and Google it. And there's going to be different opportunities. You could just type in small business and target different small businesses, but it works better if you can target an individual industry and give away an individual funnel. Another way to target people with Facebook ads is typing in something that a professional might be interested in. For example, if we're targeting lawn care people, they might be interested in a special type of lawnmower. So we could go and we could try something like Toro lawnmower. Let's try that. Or if you're targeting dentists, maybe they're interested in a certain dental association that non-dentists would be interested in. So we could type in Toro, T-O-R-O, and we could see there are people that are interested in the Toro company. What we can do is we can do what's called detailed targeting, where we could find, let's say, contractors that are also interested in Toro. That way, we're finding people that are really interested in lawn care. For example, we type in contractor, or we could type in small business owner. We'll say contractor. All right, so contractor, electrician, painting, plumber. We'll type in general contractor, and then we could narrow it down. If we click on narrow audience, and then we could type in Toro to find people that are interested in that. And that's going to dramatically reduce the number of people. So that's 140,000 people that are probably in the maintenance lawn care profession that we might not have been able to get in front of. And this could be a good opportunity to build a funnel for them or show them that a sales funnel is what they need in order to grow their business. The next way that you can start making $100 per day promoting ClickFunnels is simply Facebook ads promoting their book. Now, this is another good opportunity because, again, you're getting in front of people that have an interest based on Facebook's algorithm, and you can start making leads and sales fast. So let's go ahead and jump into my computer and I'll show you exactly what I mean. As you know, Clickfunnels has 3 books. They have Traffic Secrets, Expert Secrets, and .com Secrets. What you'd want to do is you want to figure out who your target audience is, maybe someone that wants to become a coach or a consultant, but they don't know how. So what you could do is you could go down and you could type in coach and see what pops up, and you could look for interests, you could look for different types of coaching, or you could even type in like business coach or personal trainer. These are all different opportunities. As you can see, business coaching, small business owners, these are all different opportunities that you could use to get in front of people. So we could type in, let's say, personal trainer, and then within personal trainer, you could look for different certifications that only personal trainers would have. For, as you can see here, personal trainer has 121 million people, personal training academy. So you, Jillian Michaels, Jillian Michaels is probably going to be people that want to lose weight or want to get better exercising, but you could target people that are interested in personal training, but haven't gotten started yet. What you'd want to do is you'd want to run the Expert Secrets book, free book offer to them to let them know that this is how you can get started with your online coaching. Here's an example of an ad that I ran last year targeting affiliate marketers and lead generation. So the theory behind it was that I was looking for people that are interested in affiliate marketing or small business, and they want to learn how to generate leads. And so basically what I did was I did detailed targeting for these groups up here, and I included that they had to be interested in lead generation. And so basically what I did was I ran the free book offer, and then I added additional bonuses. So this is something that you can do as well. Promote the free book. So the way that this works is you run this offer, you send them to the free book. The free book is free plus shipping, so they just pay $9.95. But the important thing is that they stick onto you. That means that whenever they buy or upgrade their Clickfunnels account, you will get credit for the commission. So the commission may not happen today or tomorrow, but 2 or 3 weeks from now, you could actually see that you have made commissions based off of this free offer. In addition, there are different upsells within the Traffic Secrets book and the books in general, where you could actually increase the commission when you're just starting out. The final way that you can promote Clickfunnels with Facebook is simply to create a Facebook group. Let's jump into my computer to show you exactly what I mean. So what I've done is I simply just typed in email marketing, and I'm going to go down to groups. When I go down to groups, you can see there are tons of different groups out there simply centered around email marketing. Within these groups, if you add value, you help solve problems, you can start generating leads and sales fast. As you can see here, this private group has 8.6 thousand members. The group below it has 20,000 members and 11,000 members. There are tons of people that are doing this. And the great thing about it is you know exactly what their problem is. You know how you can help them. And what I recommend that you do is you go live once a week minimum, and you just create different funnels and show them different tips and tricks on how to do something. Another thing that you can do is you can add different trainings and bonuses in the back office and really get people engaged. What I recommend is you create different memes and images to really build engagement and build a community. What usually happens with Facebook is you have to post consistently for the first few weeks, and then eventually Facebook will see that you're serious and they're going to recommend people to join your group. Now, these are going to be different professionals, people with different interests, but you know that you can help them by giving away free funnels and teaching them how to use Clickfunnels. One of the great things about creating a group is that in addition to promoting Clickfunnels, you could also promote GetResponse and Aweber and even web hosting like Bluehost. So definitely go ahead and start creating that group today, and you can start receiving passive income relatively soon. Now that you know 5 ways to promote Clickfunnels on Facebook, click the first link in the description or go to alstongodbolt.com for my #1 recommended way to start an online business fast. When you click that first link in the description, it'll take you to a free training to show you step-by-step how you can get started with affiliate marketing. Check out these videos next to learn more tips and tricks to make money online with affiliate marketing. Also, check out my website, alstongodbolt.com, to learn more tips, tricks, and tactics to make money online with affiliate marketing and internet entrepreneurship. If you like this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and share this video with 5 of your friends.